Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today in this video we are going to work with this model. Let's start together and step by step build it. It will be a very exceptional way of modeling. In front plane we create firstly a sketch, and then, as I always do, here we create a line and I place it on the origin. This is construction geometry. Here I do have a 165mm length, and then later on I will place here one arc, and I'm combining this area, so creating here a line, and Control is pressed and I create a tangency relationship here, and angle here will be 35 degrees and diameter on this point will be 70. Later on we are clicking shift and we give here a 100mm diameter. Later on I a little bit move my point, it's still underdefined. Here I create a line, and on this line I place a spline. I'm just showing my spline control points. Control is clicked and this point, this tool selected, and also vertical line, and we make parallel. Maybe you have seen before, sometimes I do create a line and just giving a tangency, the same operation gives you the same result. And here we have a diameter of 10. Here we have a tangency of 50. Here also we have a tangency value of 55, while we have here a 45-degree angle. Yes, something like this. It's pretty much okay for now. And let's make a surface revolve. After this operation, we look normal to. On front plane, we create a line which will be 120mm high. We close our sketch. Now we go again from plane, create here one more line, and one more time a line, and it should be bigger than our model. I made it here 100mm. Now this line is selected, select surface, and this selected. Under guide curves, options, profile twist, and 0.25 turn in revolutions. Yes, something like this we have got. It's good. And now I'm going to create an axis first. My origin selected, my top plane selected, Control is pressed, and I go axis and create an axis. Later on, linear pattern, under linear pattern, circular pattern, axis selected. Here we have a 7.5. Here we have 2. This will be a body, so the surface body, and direction 2 will be symmetric. And in 7.5 I make 2 copy, and let's close. For now the center one, original one, is hidden. I go surfaces, Lofted Surface, I select this 2 line here, edge, in fact not line, and I made an offset surface. Well, we don't need to make an offset. Let's go work on this one. And trim surface now, mutual active, our first body, and these guys keep selections. I will keep only this interior part and the rest can go, but everything will not go. This 2, 3 guy, I think last 2, 3 operation copies, and this can go now. We don't need them anymore. What we have it will look like at the end something like this. And we go to split line, intersection will be active, this one, and these two surfaces will be selected. And then simply what we did here, create a surface break. After this operation, we are going to create a 3D sketch, and I pick a line now. I click several times on my edges here. This is a broken line, and I give length of lines now. 3, 4, 5. We will continue like that. We have a 5. Next one will be 6. Each time I'm adding a little bit, and then we will continue. This line now has 6. The next one will be 7, 8, 9. We are at the 9. I added 4 more, and now will be 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, simply pick a point and then drop your line on the point of this surface break. One more time, 13. Now 12 and 11. Last will be last 2, I think 10 and 9. Yes, let's make it like this. 10 and 9. You can think about it now, what this crazy guy is doing. Simply, I'm creating points, in fact, on that surface break, but these are not with equal value. I'm creating different points, different length of lines. This will allow me to create on this point some operations later on, and that's why we did now. So simply we break this line into the pieces, because we don't have in a SolidWorks in a way that we could create an equal distributing length, but we have a segment which divides in equal parts. And after this operation, now we did, I think, most important thing. The rest will be very easy. We look normal too. We can hide this split line and the 3D sketch, and we can create our solid. First, I'm going to activate this one, like showing, and in front plane, I'm going to create a sketch. I select my sketch, I convert it, and offset of 3, reverse. Here will be closed. Here also 3, reverse, not select chain. Only this will be. Now we should close this zone. And later on, creating here one arc, quarter arc. In fact, you can just drop on this point. Yes, something like this will be nice. We closed sketch. We made a revolve. This is axis. At the end, we create our model. We hide it, our construction line and this base sketch. I'm showing here split surface. I can convert to another, change the color, it's good. and lines here. Yes. Now what we are going to do, creating on this each point a sketch plane and then cutting the body. Select surface and we select point. First hole will be 1.5, 1.5, equals sketch, extrude cut, mid plane. Each time same operation. Can be a bit boring, but at the end we are going to get really something nice. Second hole, 2.5, midpoint, mid plane cut. We hide it. Plane, point, surface. 3.5. This point, 4.5. You can click, hide the third. With the help of these points, we create a normal plane, normal that point in that surface, and we just cut there a hole, drill, mid plane. I couldn't manage it with Hole Wizard. Normally we didn't need to create all these planes. Didn't work somehow. Maybe I couldn't manage, but yeah, my intention was using Hole Wizard. 5.5. Yes, mid plane, behind plane. 6.5. Because of distribution unequal, you cannot manage this complexity with any other command, like a curve pattern will not work. You will create equally distributed holes, but we don't want. 6.5, and this one 7.5. Each time 1 millimeter grows, in fact. And 8.5. Mid plane. 9.5 now. Here will be 10.5. 10.5. Mid plane. Now we create an 11, if I'm right. Yes, diameter of 11. If you open surface, you will see we are still inside of our boundary. That's why I placed that surface there to go with control, because otherwise we will have overlap with the copies. New plane is 12, and here we have a 10.5 diameter. Now, because of diameter is decreasing on this circle, we also go small. And next one, 9.5, almost finishing, guys. 9.5. $8.5. Maybe we don't need mid-plane operation here anymore because simply we are at the highest point of surface. 8.5 was that, and now 7.5, and the last one should be 5.5. 7.5. Yes, we don't need seams. Mid-plane operation, yes, here, and 5.5, and then mainly operation is finishing. We will add some little details. Here now we have 5.5. Yes, what we have done now, simply we create an unequally distributed holes, and then we will copy them, access here, circular pattern, equal spacing, 360. If you make 24, will be all right. Each hole selected. Yes, we are missing one, and then circular pattern operation will be done. We are a bit waiting. My old computer is not easy to handle. Yes, it is looking very nice. Again, front plane. Let's look from front plane and create here a sketch. Line, another line in the middle, midpoint, offset of 3 with the length of 50. Okay, and now we create the spline. Let's leave it here and change a bit our spline, and then bring on to point. So we are a little bit playing. This spline control points will be parallel, so means spline will be tangentially starting from here, and the tangency value 150 for now, and let's see what's happening. Yes, it is good. We can here remove some holes around of it and then cut this surface. Yeah, then our operation simply will be finishing. Surfaces, the late phase, the holes which is inside of our operational area, we simply remove them. These ones, these ones, yes, and these two was there also. We can look again. Yeah, these are all lighting, and delete and patch will be active, and we simply delete everything. Yes, it is fine, and this sketch selected, and now we delete this zone. We have also here one that will be good to delete. I take operation back and add this guy also inside. Yes. Bear with me, guys, almost finished. I think it takes long, but yeah, this is the nature of this operation. What to do? At the end you get something really nice, and you won't find such a tutorial in YouTube. Here I do have 5, radius 5, and here I will give it radius 2. That's nice, and I will change display state. Fillet on the all surfaces, 0.5 maybe is good. Sorry, again. This surface and this surface. Oh, I'm not able to select surface. Yes, this is good now. 0.5. It was a ceramic model I saw on the internet. It was really nice. Also a little bit challenged me to model it, but I'm happy with the result. It turned out something really amazing, and you will really see a nice approach to model such a thing. Thanks for watching, guys. We can give some color maybe to our part. Yeah, it's looking amazing. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do make comment and support my channel. Hit the like button. There will be always better videos. See you in another video.